Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Millie Bobby Brown. Millie Bobby Brown is an English actress and producer. At the age of 12, she gained notability for her role as Eleven in the first season of Netflix science fiction series Stranger Things, which was renewed for 3 seasons. She received Primetime Emmy Award nomination for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Drama Series. In 2016, she starred in and produced the mystery film Enola Holmes and starred in the monster film Godzilla King of the Monsters in 2019. Brown launched a color cosmetics and skincare line called Florence by Mills in 2019. Brown was born in Marbella, Andalusia, Spain, the third of four children of English parents Kelly and Robert Brown. She has British citizenship through her parents. The family moved to Bournemouth, Dorset, which she was around 4 years old. 4 years later, her family moved to the United States, settling in Windermere, Florida. She was born with partial hearing in one ear and gradually lost all hearing in that ear over several years. Brown now divides her time between London and Atlanta. In 2013, Brown made her acting debut as a guest star in the ABC fantasy drama series Once Upon a Time in Wonderland, a spin off to Once Upon a Time, portraying the role of young Alice. In 2014, she had a starring role in the BBC America paranormal drama thriller series Intruders as Madison O'Donnell. She made guest appearances in the CBS police procedural drama NCIS, the ABC sitcom Modern Family, and the ABC medical drama series Grey's Anatomy. In 2016, Bond was cast to play Eleven in the Netflix science fiction horror series Stranger Things. She received critical praise and she was nominated for the Screen Actors Guild Award for Outstanding Performance by a Female Actor in a Drama Series and the Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in Drama Series. She won the Screen Actors Guild Award for Outstanding Performance by an Ensemble in a Drama Series with her co-stars and won the 43rd Saturn Award for Best Performance by a Younger Actor in the television series. For her Stranger Things, she received her second Emmy nomination in 2018. In November 2016, Brown starred in the music video for Sigma and Birdie's single Find Me. Since November 2016, she has appeared in commercial advertisement for Citigroup. In January 2017, she made her modeling debut in Calvin Klein's By Appointment campaign. The following month, she was signed to the agency IMG Models. She appeared in the campaign of the Italian brand Monster in the summer of 2018. In January 2018, Brown was cast to star and produce the film adaptation of the Enola Holmes mysteries. She was also chosen to voice in Darren Aronofsky virtual reality experience Spheres Songs of Spacetime. On 20 April 2018, she was named one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine, becoming the youngest person to be included in the list. On 20 November 2018, it was announced that she had become the youngest person ever to be appointed as UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador. In 2018, in November, EA Games announced that Brown collaborated with the Sims 4 programmers to feature in the Sims 4 Positively Challenge. She was named by Time magazine as one of the most influential teens of 2017 and of 2018. In 2018, The Hollywood Reporter ranked Brown as among Hollywood's top 30 stars under age 18. Brown made her feature film debut in 2019, the sequel to Godzilla titled Godzilla King of Monsters. She will reprise her role in Godzilla vs. Kong. In March the same year, it was announced Brown will be starring in the film adaptation of The Thing About Jellyfish by Ali Benjamin S. Also in March 2019, she became the ambassador of UEFA's Together We Play Strong campaign. More recently, she offered them a first look deal with Netflix. On July 28, 2020, it was announced that she will star and also produce through her PCMA production a suspense film titled The Girls I Have Been. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.